Boys and girls, we are looking at possessive nouns today. Under the Learn, a possessive noun is a noun that shows ownership or possession. Rosa's family works in the community garden. So you have Rosa apostrophe S. Her family's garden has flowers and vegetables. Many families' vegetables are ripe now. As you can see, when you have the singular, the one person, or the one group, you have apostrophe S. But when you have many groups of families, you have the plural noun, and then you have the apostrophe at the end. To make a singular noun possessive, add an apostrophe S, just as Rosa and family. To make a plural noun that ends in S, a positive, you add only an apostrophe. So you have families, and then you have apostrophe at the end. Students, many students, and then you have apostrophe at the end. To make a plural noun that does not end in S, possessive, add an apostrophe S. So children to children's, and deer to deers. All right, let's now look at the practice. One is done for you. It says for each one, this is write the phrase using a possessive noun. The first one is done for you. So for number 2, it says the houses of the neighbors. So how you're going to write this is you're actually going to write the neighbors, and of course it is their house, so you have apostrophe S, the neighbors' houses. I'll make my correction here to the neighbors' houses. Okay? And the next one is the effort of the community. And of course, you are going to then do the community's effort. And because it's one community, you have community and apostrophe S, effort. The community's effort. Okay? And then next you have the vines of the tomato, and of course it is the tomato's vines. And then for this one, because there's many tomatoes, your apostrophe is going to be at the end of tomatoes. All right, and then the colors of the irises is going to be the irises colors. And so I-R-I-S-E-S. So you have irises, but then of course it's ownership. So you're going to have, because that's already plural, you have the S at the end. So you need to have the apostrophe at the very end. And then colors. And then the last one, it says the broccoli belongs to Russ. And so you have Russes. So you have Russ, and then you have to have apostrophe S. Russ's broccoli.
Here's some paper. I need some paper.
Russ's broccoli. All right. You will be able to do, that was 1 through 6. And then I will have you do 7, 8, 9, and 10 on your own, following the same directions that you did before. So the shovels of men, you would write down the men's shovels. And then next for section B, it says write the possessive form of the noun in parentheses to correctly complete each sentence. So in this sentence it says the blank office lets us use this land for the garden. And of course you have in parentheses, it shows you're looking at the word mayor. So in this blank, you are going to write mayors. So in the blank, you are going to write mayors, M-A-Y-O-R, apostrophe S. And that should not be capitalized. Oops.
What is the tape for?
All right, so the mayor's office lets us use this land for the garden. Next, says this blank benefits are obvious to everyone. So this garden's benefits. And so in that blank, you need to write gardens. Garden. There is one main garden, so it's apostrophe S. All right, for each one following, just make sure that you're looking at the word in parentheses and decide if it is an S at the end, then you're probably going to need just one apostrophe. And if it's plural, then you probably need apostrophe S for each one. I look forward to your answers tomorrow.